I truly believe that anyone can become rich just by selling digital products. The best part about this is that you don't have to have a physical product. You do not have to worry about an inventory. You do not need to worry about shipping or having a physical store. All you need to do is to create that one product and you can sell it multiple times. In this video, we are going to talk about how to sell digital products using faceless content. Faceless digital marketing is all about creating content to promote a product without showing your face. I have a TikTok page with almost 50,000 followers as of the time I am posting this video that I use to promote my ebook. In my TikTok page, I do not show my face. I only post photo slides and I'm able to generate income by selling my ebook. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products by posting faceless content online, just like me on TikTok. The first step is identifying what you are passionate about. What do you want to teach the world? For me, I'm passionate about content creation, especially in the topic of finance, and I'm also passionate about teaching as well. So I post content about this. So you can pick any topic of your choice: finance, self-development, relationship, religion, what have you. Just choose a topic. If you feel you do not have any topic you're passionate about, you can go and learn a skill and start creating content on that. Then the second step is to create your digital product. There are two ways you can do this. The first step is by using Canva. You can create a course, an ebook, a template, a guide. Depending on what you want to teach, you can create a course on it using Canva. So the second method is by using other people's ebook. You can do this by going to Etsy.com, buy a book that you want, because Etsy ebooks are very cheap. Go to Etsy, buy a book, then go to ChatGPT and rewrite the book. Okay, this is another way you can do it. This is the easiest way you can do it. Or you can write your book from scratch. Now let's move over to step number 3, which is to create your website. If you don't have money for a website, you can create accounts with BEACONS.Ai, which is a link in bio website that allows you to sell your physical and digital products on their website completely for free. It is the best link in bio website that I have used. Sign up with them. I have a tutorial on how to create accounts with BEACONS.Ai and how to create your own online store on their website. So check out that video, and I'm going to link the video in the description, or I'll pin the video on this particular video. So create accounts with BEACONS.Ai, which allows you to create a free online store where you can promote your digital products. I do not encourage starters to use Shopify or Etsy.com because they take a lot of money from you, and at the end of the day, your income will not be meaningful. Once you're done creating your own store using BEACONS.Ai, copy your website link and post it on your social media platform. Post it on your bio on social media. You can post it on your TikTok, or you can post it on your Instagram bio so that people can click on it and make a purchase. Then let's go over to the next step, which is obviously creating the content. My advice from me to you as a sister is to be creative. Take it as a job. Do not take your content creation as a hobby, because people will not take you seriously. Put an effort in creating your own content. If you're interested in learning how to create a faceless content, I will link it in the description. I have a video whereby I have taught how to create faceless content using photo slides, and also how to create video content using AI. So if you're interested, I will link the video in the description, or I will also pin it on this particular video so that you can go and watch. you can choose educative content, entertaining content, or you can choose to create contents that are very relatable. These are the three main content that people engage with. So these three content: entertaining, educative, and relatable content. In educative content, people will ask questions. In entertaining content, people are going to react, and in relatable content, people are going to comment because they can relate to it. In any type of content you want to create, make sure it has to be related to the digital product that you are promoting. I will also advise you to create multiple digital products, because the chances of you making more income will be higher if you have multiple digital products on your Bitcoins account. So I will not advise you to only have one digital product, because that particular digital product might not be what people are looking for. So take my advice, create at least 5 digital products and display it on your BEACONS.Ai account. Ensure to be passionate about your content. Watch my video on how to create faceless content. And I wish you all the best. I wish you a successful online business. And we have come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.